Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in military tech. The Amphibious Assault Vehicle AAVP-7A1, commonly known as the AAV, is a versatile and amphibious armored vehicle used by the United States Marine Corps for expeditionary operations. Designed to transport Marines from ship to shore and provide essential firepower support, it is a reliable and effective asset in amphibious assault missions. This armored vehicle has the capacity to carry up to 21 fully equipped combat-ready Marines, including the crew. The AN/TWQ-1 Avenger is a highly capable short-range air defense system used by the United States military and several other countries. The Avenger system consists of a turret mounted on a Humvee, high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, or similar platform. The turret is equipped with 8 ready-to-fire FIM-92 Stinger surface-to-air missiles, which are capable of engaging targets at ranges of up to 8 kilometers. These missiles are guided by infrared homing seekers, enabling them to track and intercept airborne threats with high precision. The M60 AVLB, Armored Vehicle Launched Bridge, is a specialized engineering vehicle based on the M60 Patton main battle tank chassis. It is designed to provide rapid mobility and bridging capabilities for military forces, allowing them to overcome obstacles such as rivers, ditches, and other impassable terrain. When the vehicle reaches an obstacle, the crew extends the bridge launching system, which consists of a pair of articulated arms and a bridge span. The bridge is unfolded and lowered into place using the hydraulics, creating a stable path for other vehicles to cross. The M1224 Max Pro is a mine-resistant, ambush-protected MRAP vehicle developed by Navistar Defense. It was designed to provide enhanced protection and survivability for military personnel operating in high-threat environments, particularly against improvised explosive devices, IEDs, and ambushes. The Max Pro has been widely used by the United States military and other allied forces in various conflict zones. The vehicle can accommodate a crew of up to 6 personnel, including a driver, a commander, and 4 additional passengers. It provides spacious and well-protected seating arrangements with ballistic protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. The Merkava Mark IV is a 4th-generation main battle tank that was designed and manufactured by the Israeli Defense Forces. The tank is known for its excellent protection, mobility, and firepower, as well as its unique design that prioritizes crew survivability. The Merkava Mark IV features advanced armor protection, including composite and reactive armor, which provides superior defense against all kinds of anti-tank weapons, including heat and APFSDS rounds. The tank also has an active protection system, which uses radar and other sensors to detect and intercept incoming missiles and rockets. The Pandur II is a versatile wheeled armored vehicle designed and developed by the Austrian company Steyr-Daimler Puch Spezialfahrzeug GmbH, now known as General Dynamics European Land Systems. It is in service with several countries around the world, including Austria, Belgium, and Portugal. One of the key features of the Pandur II is its high level of mobility. It has a powerful engine and 8 wheels, which allows it to traverse rough terrain and reach high speeds. It also has an amphibious capability, which allows it to travel in water. The Milrem Themis UGV, Unmanned Ground Vehicle, is an advanced robotic platform developed by Milrem Robotics, an Estonian defense technology company. The Themis UGV features a modular and adaptable design that allows for various mission-specific configurations and payloads. Its rugged and durable construction ensures reliable performance in challenging terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's tracked chassis provides excellent mobility and stability, allowing it to traverse difficult terrain and navigate obstacles with ease. Motorized floating bridge is a versatile and innovative military engineering asset used for the rapid bridging of water obstacles. It is a modular pontoon bridge system that enables military forces to establish temporary crossings over rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water to facilitate the movement of troops, vehicles, and equipment. The bridge components can be quickly and easily transported to the desired location, and the pontoons can be interconnected and launched onto the water surface. The pontoons are typically propelled by built-in engines, which provide the necessary power for maneuvering and aligning the bridge sections during assembly. The MQ-20 Predator Sea Avenger is an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Air Force. It is an upgraded version of the MQ-9 Reaper drone, and is designed to operate in high-risk environments and conduct a range of missions. One of the key features of the MQ-20 Predator Sea Avenger is its stealth capabilities. It is designed to be low observable, meaning that it can operate in contested airspace without being detected by enemy radar systems. The CV-90 infantry fighting vehicle is a modern and highly capable tracked armored vehicle designed and manufactured by BAE Systems Hägglunds, a Swedish defense company. It is specifically designed to transport infantry troops into the battlefield while providing them with superior protection, firepower, and mobility. Its primary role is to transport infantry squads and support their operations with integrated firepower and situational awareness. The vehicle's spacious and well-designed compartment can accommodate a fully equipped infantry squad, providing them with a protected and comfortable environment during operations. The GTK Boxer developed as part of a joint venture between Germany and the Netherlands, with the goal of providing a highly modular platform that can be configured for a variety of roles, including infantry fighting vehicle, command and control, reconnaissance, and ambulance. The vehicle's armor can withstand small arms fire, artillery shrapnel, and mine blasts. The Boxer has a high level of mobility, with a top speed of up to 103 km per hour on roads and 70 km per hour off-road. The Buffalo is a military mine-resistant armored vehicle designed specifically for mine clearing and explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) operations. The Buffalo has been extensively used by the United States military and other armed forces around the world. It has played a vital role in various conflict zones, including Iraq and Afghanistan, where landmines and IEDs have posed significant threats. The Buffalo's capability to clear explosive hazards and create safer routes has been instrumental in enabling military operations, facilitating infrastructure development, and protecting civilian populations. The Aksungur is an unmanned aerial vehicle produced by Turkish Aerospace Industries. It is a medium-altitude, long-endurance drone that is designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, as well as for conducting armed operations. The Aksungur is equipped with various sensors and cameras that provide it with real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. It also has a payload capacity of up to 750 kilograms, which allows it to carry various weapons and ammunition, including air-to-surface missiles and guided bombs. The Nora B-52 is a Serbian-made 155mm self-propelled howitzer that was developed in the 1990s. It has a range of up to 41 kilometers and can fire up to 6 rounds per minute. It is also equipped with an advanced fire control system, which includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. In recent years, it has undergone several upgrades to improve its capabilities. These upgrades have included improvements to its armor protection, increased range, and the addition of a new autoloader system. The Ariane Smet UGV unmanned ground vehicle is a cutting-edge autonomous robotic platform developed by French defense company Nexter Robotics. The Ariane Smet UGV is a compact and highly maneuverable robotic system. It is equipped with tracks for enhanced mobility, allowing it to traverse challenging terrains, including rough and uneven surfaces. The vehicle's compact size and agility enable it to operate in urban environments, narrow spaces, and confined areas where larger vehicles may have difficulty accessing. We hope you enjoyed learning about the most advanced military tech with us today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment down below.